And there's an adage in the VC world that you hear today even. If you're an entrepreneur, you want to raise a round, ask for advice. If you want advice, ask for a round, right? So if you want money, ask for advice. If you want advice, ask for money.
Yeah.
And I think that's true when you're job hunting as well. Jumping in and just asking, "Oh, you hiring right now? Can I get a job?" It just kind of turns people off, and it seems a little bit disingenuous, and it seems a little bit like desperate. And so I would wholeheartedly recommend just approaching people, asking for advice and tips and understanding what they do day to day and things like that.
Were you genuinely interested in what they were doing day to day?
Yeah, for sure. Definitely. And, that 12-month fire hose there's still, a lot of water at the other side of that hose. So
yeah,
there's a lot that I didn't know. And it was also, there's certain like regional influences, and how they do venture capital in London is a little different than how they do it in the Valley, which is different from New York. And so like, just going and having those conversations gave me a ton of insight. And it also helped me, once to talk to people. To answer your question, I try and have like a few coffees a week, sort of on a rolling basis, 2-3 coffees, just when I had a chance. And it starts to give you a feel for the ebb and flow of how, the market that you're operating in works, and you get a better understanding of, what's basically happening, like where people are hiring, and if there's new funds coming on the horizon, if there's people that was raised, if there's activities happening. So once you get your finger on that pulse, you get a much better sort of sense. And I imagine, sitting from your position, you probably have your finger on that pulse of many industries. So I think you know what I'm talking about. But
people assume I know a lot more than I do. I can tell you that.